Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to use cross-reference. Microsoft Word provides a very powerful tool, cross-reference, to move to the particular chapter or particular page in a document. If we create any Word document with limited number of pages, then it is very easy to scroll. But if we create any Word document with more number of pages, then it is very difficult to scroll. Then we can use a cross-reference to move to the particular chapter. We'll see the procedure. Here we have considered the 6 pages. The first for the abstract. On the second page we have the index where we'll create the reference. On third page we have the first chapter, that is the research methodology. Initially the font style of the research methodology is normal. On next page we have the second chapter, introduction to IoT. Its font style is also normal. And on the last page we have the third chapter. Its font style is also normal. Now in this table we have to create the references. We move to the references, cross references. If we see the heading, there is no any heading is available. That's why first we have to modify this normal style into the heading style. We can select the any heading 6, 7 or 8. Now the heading style is selected. We can modify this heading as per our requirement. If we require the normally heading with the Times New Roman and font size of 14, then we can modify. We'll repeat the same by using the format painter for the second chapter heading and same for the third chapter heading. Now we can see this style is changed from normal to heading for the third, for the second and for the first. We'll give the serial number 1, 2, 3. In title we move references, cross references. Now these 3 headings are available. We have to insert the heading, that's why we select the heading text and insert. Now for the page number, we'll select the reference type heading and insert a reference to page number. It is available on the page number 1, that's why automatically it is inserted 1. Now select the second chapter, heading text. The heading text will available in your table. Now page number, same will repeat for the third chapter. Select the third chapter title, insert its heading and then insert the page number. Chapter number 1 is available on page number 1, second on the 2 and third on the 4th. That's why automatically these pages and these heading titles are now available in that. Now if we see, it shows the current document, that is control plus click. If we press the control plus click, then it automatically move to the page, chapter 1 or 3. If we have created the PDF of the same document, then in PDF also the references works. If we have open this synopsis, this PDF, we have the first page abstract. On the second page we have the index. If we move cursor on the chapter name and click by using the control, then it automatically move to this chapter page.